We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 evaporative polymer cooling bandana. This product is designed to provide cooling relief through evaporative polymer crystals that activate when soaked in water. It features a tie closure for an adjustable fit and is reusable simply by re-wetting. The bandana remains hydrated and effective for up to 4 hours, making it suitable for outdoor activities such as landscaping, construction work, running, hiking, and other heat-exposed environments. The material is a blend of acrylic and cotton, offering comfort and durability. The bandana weighs less than an ounce and measures approximately 7 by 9.5 inches, making it lightweight and easy to wear. Users consistently report that the Chill-Its 6700 delivers impressive cooling performance. Many highlight that the bandana becomes icy cold after soaking, providing relief from heat for hours without the need for refrigeration. Some users keep it in the fridge or freezer for an extra chill, but the product works effectively with just cold tap water. The cooling effect can lower the temperature around the neck by 8 to 10 degrees compared to ambient room temperature, which is significant for comfort during hot days. This makes it ideal for people working outdoors in high heat or engaging in strenuous activities where overheating is a concern. One notable feature is the polymer crystals inside the bandana. These crystals absorb water and expand, creating a gel-like substance that retains moisture and coolness. Compared to similar products, the Chill-Its 6700 contains more crystals, which contributes to its superior cooling capacity. However, this also results in a slimy texture on the surface when fully hydrated, which some users find unpleasant to touch. Despite this, the sliminess is not felt against the skin when worn, so it does not detract from the comfort of use. Some reviewers suggest soaking the bandana for a shorter time to reduce the slime while maintaining effective cooling. The design of the bandana is flatter and wider than typical tubular neck wraps, which helps distribute the cooling effect more evenly and enhances comfort. It does not feel bulky or heavy around the neck, unlike some other cooling wraps that can feel like a heavy tube. The tie closure allows for a customized fit, accommodating different neck sizes and preferences for tightness. In terms of maintenance, the bandana is easy to clean by hand washing with gentle soap and water. It can be dried and stored for use in subsequent seasons. However, users should be cautious as the product is not color fast. Some have reported color bleeding during soaking, which can stain clothing. It is advisable to test for color fastness before wearing it with light or valuable garments. The product is highly recommended for anyone needing relief from heat, especially those who work outdoors or participate in outdoor sports and activities. It is a cost-effective solution, with many users noting that even if the bandana lasts only a few days of heavy use, the low price makes it worth the investment. The bandana is also praised for being reusable and quick to recharge its cooling capability with just a few minutes of soaking. Some users compared the Chill-Its 6700 to other cooling neck wraps and found it superior in cooling power and comfort. Alternatives like the Huacnet Cooling Sports Scarf provide moderate cooling but lack the same long-lasting effect and comfort level. Another variant, the Chill-Its 6700 CT, was described as feeling like a wet towel and was less impressive in performance. Overall, the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 cooling bandana stands out for its effective cooling, lightweight design, and ease of use. While the slimy feel when wet may be a drawback for some, it does not affect the cooling performance or comfort when worn. The bandana is a practical and affordable choice for anyone seeking relief from heat in various outdoor or indoor settings. We encourage viewers who own this product to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested. This cooling bandana is a simple yet effective tool for managing heat stress, especially in dry and hot climates. It does not replace air conditioning or ice packs, but offers a convenient, portable, and reusable way to stay cooler for hours. Whether you are working in construction, landscaping, hiking, or attending outdoor events, the Chill-Its 6700 can make a noticeable difference in comfort and endurance. Its long-standing presence in the market with thousands of positive ratings confirms its reliability and value. In summary, the Ergodyne Chill-Its 6700 cooling bandana is a must-have for anyone exposed to heat regularly. It combines innovative polymer crystal technology with user-friendly design to deliver sustained cooling relief. Its affordability, reusability, and adjustable fit make it a standout product in the category of personal cooling gear. Despite minor issues like color bleeding and surface slime, the overall user experience is positive, with many recommending it as an essential accessory for hot weather conditions.